Hi nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. So today is pretty special because I'm going to be recreating my most viewed nail reel or nail design on Instagram, and it's actually going to be the honeybees nail set that I haven't even done on this channel as yet. So I'm pulling out everything that I used to create that nail design, and we're going to be recreating that today. So if you want to see how I did those nails, please keep watching.
The view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
I like the view. I like the view.
All right, so I'm going to get started by getting my nail tips. I'm going to be using my 3XL squares, and I'm just going to go ahead and prep them. But whilst I'm prepping my nails and getting ready to do this nail design, I thought I'd just share a little story time with you. Now, GLOWTIPS Official, I found out about this brand because I saw Mama Does Nails post some nail designs with the products. And I think at the time there was a giveaway of some sort, and I had won the giveaway, a Polygel giveaway. So when I won, I was like, oh my gosh, I love your gel polishes. Can I order some and, you know, send it with the giveaway winnings, you know, so then I could save that little couple dollars on shipping. You know, I just be a little cheap sometimes. You guys know that. So anyway, I ordered the gel polishes, and she sent over the polygel kit that I won, and I was so excited for it. And I'm trying to remember the very first design that I did with her products, but I'll have it up on the screen. So anywho, fast forward a couple months later, after using her products for a while, I really love her products, by the way. This nude polygel here, one of the best nude polygel I've ever used on the entire planet. It is just so skin-like. When it just melts into your flesh, and it just looks very seamless. So anywho, back to the story. So she reached out again, the owner, and asked if I wanted to try some gel polishes. Now, I live in Ireland, and this company is based in the UK. So products tend to take a week to 2 weeks to arrive to me from whenever they send it. So I also pay additional for shipping, and I also pay my own customs and other taxes. So all of us have skin in the game. I know sometimes you guys see me receive products, but a lot of the products that I do receive, I do have a financial investment into it in the form of tax, in the form of shipping. All right. So I have the nails on now. I'm going to be going back and forth from what I'm doing to the story. So I have the nails on now. I've already applied the polygel to the nails, and I did that using the lazy girl method. So now I'm going to take my sanding band and I'm going to clean up that cuticle area. All right, back to the story. So she sent me over 5 more gel polishes, and she was having a launch special, I believe. It was a Friday, guys. And the polishes had not yet arrived. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to be so late, because when you're a small business owner, every second counts, every moment counts. And so when I finally received the gel polishes arrived 1 hour before she was about to launch. I think it was like literally 1 hour. Like my mailman arrived like around 11 o'clock, and she was having her launch at 12 o'clock. And I sent her a message. I was like, the gel polishes just arrived. Guys, look at that shaping. They look good, eh? Back to the story. So the gel polishes just arrived, and I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to be late, because when you have a launch, it's important that everybody starts to talk about you from the moment that you launch. So I just wanted to do a really quick design on my nail just to support the fact that she was having this launch with these gorgeous gel polishes. You know, as a small business owner, you guys, if you are a small business owner, you would understand how important it is to make sure that people are talking about your product when you launch. So I did this quick design. It was a press-on set because I didn't have enough time to do the whole shebang like I'm doing now in this video. I got my little stilettos. I slapped some base gel on there. I slapped some Pop-Tart, this same gel polish here from Makartt. I slapped that on there. This is one of my favorite glitter gel polishes from Makartt, by the way. This is from the Femi Beauty collection. And then I just, you know, I glued on some beads, and I glued on a few flowers, and I did a little bit of line work. And just before I was about to take the pictures, and the sun came out so beautiful that day, just before I take the pictures, my pinky popped off. So I literally didn't even have time to like put the pinky back on properly. It was literally hanging. If you look close on my picture, you'll see like it's hanging. So anyway, I post the picture just to support, and it was done, and I was finished and done with it. This particular gel polish here that I'm showing you in this video, this is called Laguna. This was the gel polish that was a part of the 5 gel polishes that she had sent me from this collection. And you have an opportunity to actually win any set of gel polish or polygel from her website. I will have the giveaway photo up on the screen. And I just wanted to say this long story. I just wanted to say this particular photo was a pivotal moment on my Instagram account. When this got posted, I was getting notifications after notifications after notifications. And I was like, what's going on? I thought somebody hacked I honestly thought someone hacked my account because there was just so much notifications. And I was like, what people liking? This can't be the photo people liking. This little bee photo with my pinky dropping off. And my hands was literally, even a little bit dry that day. So I had to slap on extra cuticle oil. And then I got a notification that Nails Pro magazine had shared this same photo. And I was like, what? Nail Pro magazine? They get hundreds and hundreds of thousands of followers, and they pick little old me, to share my photo. I was like flabbergasted. I was lost for words. And over the next several days and even weeks, I was just getting notifications after notification. And honestly, I think I gained at least 1,000 followers after this photo had been posted. So my account grew, my views grew, and I hope that GLOWTIPS also received some sort of publicity from it as well. I just wanted to share this story because as nail content creators, there are a lot of times that we receive products from small brands, and we feel as if we go for the bigger brands, the well-known popular brands, that's what's going to cause us to get noticed, or that's what's going to cause us to grow. And sometimes the opposite can actually happen. I didn't grow because it was a big name brand with hundreds of thousands of followers. It was a small business with just me, and I had about around the same amount of followers, 1,000, 2,000. I can't remember how much followers I had at the time. And it just so happens on this particular day, like this was the picture that Instagram decided to pick and just show everybody across, well, not everybody, but you know what I'm trying to say. And somebody out there just needs to hear the story. Whatever your design is, no matter how wild it is, just do it. So now that I have this beautiful yellow gel polish down on the nail, which is like a wavy side French. You guys know I love my wavy side French. Now going in with this Honeycomb Glitter mix from Charlie's Nail Art. Again, another small business. And this was what, €2, maybe a $2 glitter mix. And I'm now applying this onto the wet gel polish. This is the second layer of gel polish. So now I'm taking my time, and I have to apply each of these glitters one by one to get it on here. So you guys know I was rushing. This video here that I'm doing took me at least 2.5 hours to do. So when I received her gel polishes at 11 o'clock and I tried to get it posted by 12 or shortly thereafter, I was literally rushing, and I did not have time to do all of the things that I'm doing in this video. So it just goes to show you sometimes it's the videos that we don't plan for. And I actually had PR that day that I was supposed to do, but I pushed her I pressed her gel polish first because I just really wanted to support this small business. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. So I have the glitter on there now, and that's supposed to look like a honeycomb. So I flash cured that, and now I'm going to add the honey. So to create the honey, I'm going to go in with this glitter gold gel liner, and we're just going to do a little bit of honey strokes around the nail. Now, some parts of the honey is like a nice amber, a nice yellow, and then the other part of the honey is a little bit more darker. So that's why we have the bronze glitter gel polish, just to give it a 3D effect. So you're just going to add that to the bottom of the honey, sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my honey on down. I know I've been talking a lot, and I'm sorry that I had to talk so much, but I really needed to share this story with you guys, because somebody out there just needs to hear whatever it is that you need to do. Just do it. Do it. Don't worry if you're going to get 3 likes. Don't worry if you only get 1,000 views. Guys, if I get 10 likes, I'm happy. I honestly am. That means 9 more people other than me. That means 9 more people other than me really enjoy my content, and that's all that matters. And I know people like to say, don't be doing nothing for validation. No one does anything for validation. If 2 people like me and 1 other person like it, I'm fine with that. But at the end of the day, when you do get validated, when you do see that, wow, people really like it, oh my gosh, if it's a really good feeling, especially as a small person on Instagram. Anyway, I know my voice is annoying and I've been talking for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. I will let you watch me apply my little honey, and then I'll come right back. All right, so we are finished with the honey. And as you can see, like I said, we added that little copper to the bottom just to give the honey a little bit of 3D effect. Now we're going to go ahead and draw our little bead trail. So you're just going to use a black liner gel, and you're going to do some long dotted strokes or long lines with space in between them to create your honey trail. Also, for the giveaway, there will be 3 winners. You will be able to choose what you would like to receive from GLOWTIPS. This is not a YouTube giveaway. This is actually an Instagram giveaway. The post will look exactly like the photo on the screen. You will need to go to my Instagram or GLOWTIPS Instagram to find that post and follow the instructions that is in that particular post. And there you have it. I do hope that you guys enter the giveaway. You just never know. Maybe you will go viral from using these products from the small business as well. I don't know. But if you enter the giveaway, just be sure that there is some way for us to be able to reach you and to get your shipping information. You will have to share that with GLOWTIPS, not me. You can directly message them, but it is open for 7 days. So the winner will be chosen next week, Tuesday. Okay, so back to the nail design. Now that I've done the honeycomb nail design to my middle finger and my pinky finger, now it's time to do the nail design onto the index and the ring finger. I am going to use some Rhinestone Glue on my super top coat, and we're going to add some flowers, and we're going to add some beads. And this is relatively an easy part. Now, I went a little bit extra because I didn't have the big flowers on the original nail design. But I think because I'm doing a longer nail, I needed a little bit more to fill in the space. So, you guys know I like wild nails anyway. So I'm just adding in a bigger flower onto this nail design. And that's basically it. So once you have everything on, then you will give it a full flash cure under the UV lamp, a full cure under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Again, I do apologize for my voice. I hope I was not overly annoying, but I hope that you understand the message that I was trying to share, a little bit of inspiration, a little motivation for you guys. If nothing else you remember from this video, other than my highly annoying voice, sore throat, is that if you love your nails a certain way, stick to that. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a fantastic job. Even if you have dry, crusty cuticles, even if you have dry hands, even if your nails be crooked sometimes, laugh at yourself. See the areas that you need to improve and just improve. I know there are areas that I have to improve, and every day I look forward to improving those days. Take the constructive criticism. People was even commenting on the videos like, I don't know what everybody liking. What's so special about this nail design? Trust me, boo-boo. I was asking the same questions too. I was like, what people liking? I hope people don't laugh at my pinky finger because this was about to drop off. So trust me, I understand. Some people be like, what this girl getting all these views for? I got you. I understand, boo-boo. I was asking the same questions too. But you know what? I got them. I'm happy I got them. I hope I get them again. All right? Enter the giveaway, guys. Even if you don't want to enter the giveaway, hop on over to GLOWTIPS Official. Please show some love to some small businesses. If nothing else you do, show some love to some small businesses that need some support and just support them. All right, here's the final look of these nail set, my delicious honeybee nails that I recreated. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun tutorial. Thank you again to GLOWTIPS for willing to send me products and also be willing to do this giveaway. Guys, love you, and I will see you in the next one.